Hello guys, hello students. This is senior college mathematics. Topic is approximation. If you are in SS1 to SS3, preparing for WAEC, for NECO, for GC, for NATE, for JAMB, or any other external exams to get into higher school, this topic, this lesson, this video is for you. Relax, watch, and enjoy mathematics in simplest presentation. Okay, lesson 2, approximation 2. So this is continuation of lesson 1 okay, and in this lesson we talk about decimal places. In lesson 1 we talked about SF. So this is DP now, decimal places. Rounding off a number to a given number of decimal places begin after the decimal point to the right side of the number. That is clear enough. So you start working after the point to the right side of the number. Usual rule of approximation is applicable. What is the rule? Digit 0 to 4 are rounded down to 0, while digit 5 to 9 are rounded up to 1. That is the usual rule of approximation. The short form of decimal place or places is DP. Okay, so we have examples. All right, for updates, follow Voice of Peter Course via YouTube at Peter Course Educom. To do that, subscribe to this channel, like and share this video. Let your classmates, your friends get to know of it. Facebook, fb.me/petercourseeducom, Instagram petercourseec, Telegram t.me/petercourseeducom. In all of these platforms, you get updates from time to time about what is happening at Peter Course Educom, when the next lesson is released, and all of that. Okay, example 3. Approximate 30.0638 to A, 1 decimal place, 2, that is B, 2 decimal places, C, 3 decimal places. So 1 DP. From the note, we said that 1 decimal place starts after the point. After the point, the first number is 0. So this 1 DP. You have to look at 6, the next number, falls in the category of rounding up to 1. If you round 6 up to 1, add it to 0, it becomes 1. So you have 30.1. Just one number after the point. That is 1 DP. One number. Okay? For 2 DP, we'll consider 06, the first 2 digits after the point. And the next number is 3, and 3 falls in the category of rounding down to 0. You add 0 to 6, it remains as 6. So to 2 DP, you have 30.06. 3 decimal places, we are interested in the first 3 numbers after decimal point, and that is 063. You look at the next number, 8, and 8 falls in the category of rounding up to 1. So if you round 6, if you round 8 up to 1, you add it to 3, it becomes 4. So 3 DP is 30.064. The meaning is having 3 digits after the point. That is 3 decimal places. So the right hand side, the whole number 30 is constant or true. What varies is the digit on the right hand side of the number. Okay, all right, example 4. Round off 0.906512348 to 4 decimal places, 5 decimal places, 6 decimal places. So the first one is 4DP. For 4DP, we are interested in 9065. That is the first 4 digits after the point. The next one is 4. Next one is 1. And 1 falls in the category of rounded down to 0. If you add 0 to 5, it remains as 5. So 4DP of the number is 0.9065. Okay? 5 decimal places, we are interested in the first 5 digits after the point. That is 90651. The next digit is 2, and 2 falls in the category of rounded down to 0. You add 0 to 1, it remains as 1. So for 5DP, you have 0.90651. C part is 6DP. It means the first 6 digits after the point, that is 906512. You look at the next digit 3. 3 falls in the category of rounded down to 0. You add 0 to 2, it remains as 2. So 6DP of the number is 0.906512. So this is how numbers are approximated or rounded off to number of decimal places, decimal numbers precisely. Okay, so let's look at rounding off numbers to the nearest whole numbers and order. Same rule of rounding off numbers is also applicable. The rule is that digits 0 to 4 are rounded down to 0. Digits 5 to 9 are rounded up to 1. Okay, let's see example. Example 5. Round off 164.9 meters to the nearest whole number. You know, this number is decimal. It has two parts, the whole number part and decimal part. The whole number part is 164. To the nearest whole number, you look at the next digit after it, that is 9. 9 falls in the category of rounding up to 1. If you round 9 up to 1, add it to 164, it becomes 165. Get that? Alright. Example 6. Round off 964 572 183 556 to the nearest 8, 10, 100, 1,000, million, and billion. Okay, in this case, your idea of placed value system is needed. That is units, tens, hundred, and so on. And in place value system, the digit under tens is 5. That is the first 5 from the right is the digit under tens. So you are looking at the 6 after it. 6 falls in the group of rounding up to 1. So if you round 6 up to 1, it becomes 1. You add 1 to 5, it becomes 6. So to the nearest 10, you have this result. You know, tens has 1 0. So in your answer, 1 0 should reflect. That is the meaning. Okay. B, nearest 100. That means in your answer there should be 2 zeros. So you ask yourself, which digit is under 100? That digit is 5. The second 5 from right. The next digit after it, 5, falls in the group of rounding up to 1. You round 5 up to 1, you add it to 5, it becomes 6. So nearest 10, you have this result. That is 964 572 183 600. Pronounce with 2 0. Okay. C, to the nearest 1,000. 1,000 has 3 0. So your answer 3 0 should reflect. But you ask yourself, in this number Which digit is under 1,000? That is 3. 3 is under 1,000. The next digit 5 falls in the category of rounding up to 1. You round 5 up to 1, you add it to 3, it becomes 4. So you have 964,572 184,000, with the 3 zeros of thousands reflecting in the last part. Okay. D, nearest million. Million is 7 digits but 6 0. So you ask yourself, in the number, which of the digits is taking the position of million? That is 2. That is 2. After 2, the next number is 1. 1 falls in the category of rounding down to 0. If you round 1 down to 0, you add it to 2, it remains as 0. Remains as, okay, 0. 0 plus 2 now is 2. Okay. After that, the digit 183,556 becomes 0. So you have 964,572 million. See that? The 60 for millions are there. Lastly, nearest billion. Billion has 10 digits but 9 0. So the number in the billion position is 4. The next digit is 5, which falls in the group of rounding up to 1. If you round 5 up to 1, you add it to 4, it becomes 5. So you have 965 billion. The 9 zeros for billions are there. So this is how you round off number to nearest whole numbers. Okay. All right. End of lesson 2. And the voice of Peter Cost is saying, thank you for taking your precious time to learn and follow this lesson to the end. He is wishing you unlimited success in all your endeavors and pursuit in life and career. Don't forget, watch out for more from the voice of Peter Cost. For any question, inquiry, any challenge, contact the voice of Peter Cost via this WhatsApp number, or send him a mail, or drop it in the comment section, and you will be attended to as soon as possible. For the complete package of this topic, approximation, lesson 1 to 3 for offline usage, you can also contact the voice of Peter Cost at a very little token. The complete package will be delivered to you. Okay. All right. If you are not safe, you need to be safe, and the only way is to give your life to the Lord Jesus Christ. He is the only one that has the power to save anyone. If you are saved already, I tell you, big congratulations. Live righteously and be prepared. Stay out of trouble. Take care of yourself. Stay well. Do the needful at all time. And goodbye for now.